Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Today I will discuss about question 1 part A. The question asks Susanna invested RM345.40 every 3 months in the account that offer interest rate of 6% compounded quarterly. Find the accumulated amount in her account after 10.5 years of investment. So for this kind of question, you need to apply the future value formula, which is S equal to R in bracket 1 plus I close bracket power of n minus 1 over I. So first thing first, we need to find the I, which is K over M. K is the rate, which is 0.06 over 4. Why 4? Because compounded quarterly in a year. And then we need to find the M. We need to find the N, which is M times T. We already found the M, which is 4. And then for the T, which is the duration, 10.5 year. And then we will get 42. 42 is the N. And then what you need to do right now, you just need to apply the number given by the question into the formula, which is S equal to RM345.40 in bracket 1 plus 0.06 over 4 times power of 42 minus 1 over 0.06 over 4. And then if you simplify it, you will get 345.40 in bracket 57.9231. And then what you need to do right now, you just need to multiply the equation, and then you will get the final answer, which is RM20,006.65.
Today I will be explaining question 2 part A. So the first question is to calculate the monthly payment of the loan. So what the first thing first that we have to do is to calculate monthly payment. So before that, we have to 100% minus with 20%, which is a down payment, and we will get 80%. So after that, we can calculate the amount of loan, which is 80% times 259,000, which is the price given, and we will get 207,200. And then after that, we have to calculate for the interest, which is I equal to K over M. So, and then 0.035, because the interest rate given here is 3.5%. And then over 12, which is the compounded monthly. This one. And then after that, we have to calculate for N, which is N equals to MT. And then M is equal to compounded monthly just now, which is 12. And then T is the length in years. And then we will get the final answer for N is 240. And then after that, we have to use the present values formula. So this is the formula right here. And then where do we get 207,200 is from the amount of loan. So we will just put it here as A. And then equals to R, which is the credit payment that we need to find. And then 1 minus 1 plus 0.035 over 12. And then negative 240, which is the amount of N. And then over 0.035 over 12, which is the interest. And then we will get the we will just manipulate the formula, and then the final answer that we will get is 1201.68. And then we will proceed to B, find the total interest charge. So the formula is I equal to S minus P, and the S is 1201.68 times 240 minus 207,200, which is P. And then we will get the final answer here, which is 81203.20. And then after that, if Zakwan failed to pay the first 10 monthly payments, calculate the amount he had to pay on the 11th payment in order to settle the outstanding arrears. And then what we have to do here is to use the future values formula. So it says here 11 payment. So we will just put it here as S11. And then R is the amount that we get for the total interest charge. So 1201.68. And then bracket, and then 1 plus 0.035 over 12. And then N is 11 because the question asks for the 11th payment. And then minus 1, and then over interest, which is 0.035 over 12. And this is the final answer that we will get, which is 13412.95. So this is the amount he had to pay on the 11th payment right here. And then the last question, immediately after paying the 150 payment, Zakwan decided to settle the balance of the loan. Find the amount to be paid. So the first thing first that we have to do is to calculate balance of payment, which is 240, which is the N, this is the N's amount, and then minus 150, because immediately after paying the 150 payment, and we will get balance of payment is 90, and then we will use the present values formula, which is A90 equals to 1201.68, which is the predict payment, and then 1 minus 1 plus 0.035 over 12, and then bracket, and then negative n, which is 90, and negative 90, and then over the interest, which is 0.035 over 12, and we will get the final answer right here for the amount that Zakwan has to settle. So the amount that has to be paid by Zakwan. So thank you. I think that is all for me. We will proceed to the next presenter.
Okay, so for question 1 part B, the question asks the sofa set was listed at RM 13,560 and Johan paid RM 9,331 ringgit and 45 cents after deducting trade discount of 15%, 12% and X%. Find A, the discount amount. So for this question, you just need to use the list price minus net price, which is the list price is 13,560 and the net price is 9,331 ringgit and 45 cents. And then you will get the final answer, which is RM 4,228 and 55 cents. So for the question B, you will need to find the value of X. So for this kind of question, you just need to apply the formula net price equal to list price in bracket 1 minus discount 1, 1 minus discount 2, 1 minus discount 3 and so on. So you just need to put the number given by the question into the formula, which is the net price is the 9,331 ringgit and 45 cents, which is the price that Johan paid, and then the list price 13,560 in bracket 1 minus 15%, which is the discount, 1 minus 12% also a discount, and 1 minus X%, the discount that we need to find. So if you simplify it, you will get 0.92 equal to 1 minus X per 100. So what I do here is I bring this equation to the other side and I bring this equation to this side, and then you will get X per 100 equal to 1 minus 0.92, and then later you will get X over 100 equal to 0.0808, and then you just need to bring the 100 to this side and times it. So this means that 0.08 times 100, and you will get the final answer X equal to 8%.
The question 2A is define the cash discount terms 10 per 50, 8 per 20 and N per 30. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, for the 10 per 15, the meaning of this sentence is if we make a payment within the 50 days, we will get the 10% cash discount. For the 8 per 20, if we make a payment between the 60 days up to the 20, we will get 8% cash discount. Okay, for the N per 30, we did not get cash discount because we already made a payment after the discount terms. Okay, for the question B, is put the answer first, put the formula first. SDER equals to 1 minus, open the bracket, 1 minus D1 close the bracket, open again, 1 minus D2 close the bracket. So just put the information already we get. 1 minus, open the bracket, 1 minus 50% close the bracket and open the bracket again, 1 minus 12% close the bracket and open again, 1 minus 10% because we have 3 cash discounts. So we will get the answer 117 per 2,500, and when we go to percent, we get the 32.68%. Question 2C, determine the last day to receive the cash discount. So we need to know the last day we receive the cash discount. So for the first step we need to do is make a 3 column for month, days and case date. Okay, for this company, we already buy the item at 26 January. So we started with 26 January until 31 January. So for the days, we just take 30 days minus with 26, we get 4 days. For the case date, we did not get anything. Okay, for the second month, we started with 1 February until 11 February, and take back the answer before this. 4 days minus plus with 11, we will get 50 days. So the last day we will get 10% is at 11 February 2022. Okay, for the next, we started with 1 February again and until the 60th February. So we take for the days, we take 4 days before this and plus with 60 days, and we will get 20 days. So case date we will get 8% at 60 February 2022. So the last day we get a cash discount at 26 February 2022. Okay, for the question C, find the total payment and amount of discount if the payment was made on 8 February 2022. So first thing we need to do is put the formula first. TP equals to NP plus TC. So we already know the information. We just put in the formula. TP equals to 1049. Open the bracket, 1 minus 8,870 per 2,500, close the bracket and open the bracket again, 1 minus 10%, close the bracket, and the answer we get 335.57, and the answer we plus with the transportation cost 516, and we will get for the NP TP we will get 1,195.57. Okay, for amount of discount equals to LP and minus NP. So we take the answer for the information and put in this formula. 1059 minus with 335.57, and we will get 430.43.